with Garrett, and we're here at Aldan American, and we're just here to say a big thank you to you guys for partnering up with us and giving us this kit for my car.
Yeah.
You could tell us a little bit more about this.
Yeah. Thanks for bringing the 71 Camaro by its cool build. You got that wide body kit. You got the 5.3 LS. Could be doing some horsepower, man.
Yeah.
Looks good. Now it's time to get that stance set up. So what we've got today, we've got our Road Comp Series coilover kit. We've got our bolt-on coilovers for the front. These will lower down to 2 inches, on a stock car. On the rear, we've got our Trueline Series shocks. They're adjustable shocks. They're going to work with your factory style springs in the rear. So with all that, be able to get rid of that fender gap, drop the car down, and it's going to handle awesome.
A lot better than what it is now.
A lot better, man. A lot better.
Yep.
So,
you want to go check out the car?
Let's check it out, man.
All right, awesome.
Right on.
So just mainly the newer things that I've done is the flares, the rear and front flares. Nobody really, now people are noticing them that we're pointing it out, but we try to make it like as sleek as possible.
Yeah.
But
and these are all steel?
All steel.
Yeah.
Yep.
Very cool, man.
And another new thing, I just recently finished LS swapping it.
Yeah.
And me and my brothers all did a swap on it.
Nice. What LS do you have in there?
It was still 5.3.
5.3?
Yeah.
Cool.
And got my whole front end all new. I used to have a standard front end. Now I got the RS front end.
Nice.
And I also got this custom grill right here too. Not a lot of people have that.
Yeah.
And the hood too gets a lot of looks.
Yeah.
But I like how it looks.
It looks good. And what you were talking to? I know black looks good, man.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
talking about maybe painting it or
Yeah,
what's?
some paint coming soon, hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
Yeah.
But for right now, it's just primered up just so we don't get any rust or anything. But eventually in the future, for sure, I'm gonna paint it.
Yeah. Yep. Looks good, man.
Thank you. All right, guys, we're just gonna wrap up this video. We're just gonna say a final thank you for helping us out.
Thanks for coming out, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, car looks good.
Thank you. And that'll be it for this week's episode, players. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Second Gen Fredo. All right, imagine. All right, players, just made it back home. And now Beto's opening up his new boxes. He already got started. Let me flip the camera around so you can see. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna dispose of this to your nearest trash can. Pain. Anyways, check out these springs. These are the front coilovers. So you got the shock and spring. You got the hardware in here. This is all Camaro stuff, so I mean, if you're trying to order this stuff, here's some part numbers. Damn, it's clean. This is the last time you're ever gonna see it this clean, because it's going on the my car. Instructions. What's this? What is this unwrapped up? Little card, stickers, installation guide. So these are the front two. Legitness, huh? Yep, hell yeah. Jeez. Once again, another shout out to Aldan for hooking us up with this. This is a front set of coilovers. Those are the, where's the other, oh, here's the other spring for it. And that other box right here is gonna be his rear adjustable shock. So we're gonna get to opening that right now. Take a few pictures of these and all the new stuff. And yeah, we'll get back when you open this box. Yeah, fucking starts. True. This is a late birthday gift, I guess. AK sponsorship. How do you feel? Amazing, dude. First sponsor, first ever sponsor. Who knew that YouTube could get us this stuff, man? So there's give us one of these extra. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's the coilover wrench. So just the front coilovers. You looking for one of those? Yeah. This is gonna be a bunch of hardware or brackets, like mounting brackets probably. So there you go with those. This is pretty much their off-the-shelf second gen Camaro package. So give you some. These are the rings that he was talking about. code numbers right there
to sit on top of them, so it's easier to.
Those are for the front coilovers also. There's the rear shocks. Pretty beefy. Here you can adjust it right here.
Oh, the stiffness.
Yeah.
Sick.
Nice. So pretty much got the whole kit out. I don't know if we're gonna be. I don't think we're gonna be installing it today, but sometime this weekend. Damn, we're gonna get a few pictures and some shots with it, so we could send it over to the guys at Aldan. And yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, our mini photo shoot just ended. Probably see one of the pictures we took as a thumbnail, but yeah, we're about to just clean this all up, put it away for now until tomorrow. Beto installing it.